Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make wall art on Canva. Once you're on Canva, there are two ways you can start off. The first thing you could do is go over to the top right hand corner and tap on create a design, and from here you could select custom size and you could enter the size that you want your wall art to be. But if you're like me and you're a beginner and you don't have any idea how to make a wall art, all you have to do is tap in the search bar and type in wall art. After you have selected wall art, you will see the option framed wall art, boho wall art, or you can just tap on search for wall art, which is what I will do. By doing this, you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from that can get your creative juices running and give you an idea of what you would like your wall art to look like. So you can see numerous wall arts right here that you can use. And by the way, the ones that you see with the crown that says Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid Canva subscriber to use those. But for this example, I'll simply use this one right here. So you will tap on the wall art that you would like to use. After you have done that, you are going to tap on customize this template. And once you have tapped on customize this template, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to add your own personal touches. So let's say, for example, you want to change the photo. You could simply tap on the photo right here and you will be able to delete it. So you could tap on delete and upload your own photo. If you want to remove this section right here that says Canva print, you can tap on that section, then tap on the trash can to remove it, as you can see right there. Then you will remove the wording. So let's tap on it again, tap on the trash can. And from here you can see you have a nice wall art at the moment. But let's say I want to add something else. I could simply tap right here. Then you could tap on the three dots. Then you will tap on detach image from background. Then you will delete the image. Then you could simply go over to uploads, and if you would like to add one of your uploaded image, or if you would like to select a particular image, so you could go over and you could tap on background in the bottom left hand corner. And from here you'll see numerous background images that you could use. Once you have found one to your liking, all you have to do is simply tap on it and it will be added, as you can see right there. And by the way, if you would like to remove this, you can also remove it by tapping on it, then selecting the trash can and tapping on delete grid. And you can see right here. And once you are finished customizing your wall art to your liking, and by the way, if you would like to add text, all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on text, then you can see numerous text boxes that you can use, or font ideas right here. So for this example, I'll simply tap on this one, the regular font style. And after you have tapped on the font style, what you can do next is drag it into the position you want. You can add whatever text you want. Home sweet home. And then from here, you can simply change the font style by highlighting all of the text that you had written. Then you'll tap in on Canva Sans. And from here, you could change the font style. So let's say, for example, I want to use this font right here. All I have to do is simply tap on the font. And I can change the font size also by tapping right where you see 78. So if you would like to increase or decrease the font, you can do that. And you can also change the color of the font by tapping on the capital A. And you can select a color in the bottom left hand corner. And if you would like the font to be bold, you could do that also. And if you would like to add effects to the font, for example, let's say you want to add a background shade, you could simply tap on effects in the top right hand corner. Then from here you will tap on splice, and you can see that it gives it a different look. Then you could increase the thickness right there, and you can decrease direction, and you can see that it gives it a whole different look. And once it is finished and to your liking, all you have to do next is tap on share in the top right hand corner. And after tapping on share, you'd simply tap on download, and you'll be able to download your new wall art. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.